Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a random color generator in Python. So the first thing you need to do is import random. So this will basically do all our random choosing. So and now you need to make a list called colors, and it should be these square brackets to indicate it's a list. So let's add some colors. For example, blue, red, green, yellow, and last of all, pink. If these don't come green or any other color, you should add quotes or double quotes. So this is all of our colors that are going to be randomly generating. So all you do is just color equals random dot choice of colors, or whatever your list's name is, and then if you print the randomly generated color is, and then you do comma color, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Randomly generated is blue. You run it again, it's pink, green, pink. So that's it. Bye guys, see you in the next video.